Hi guys, I get quite a number of questions about how to control titles or make custom titles for iMovie. iMovie, as most of you would know, is an Apple video editor, and it's quite a simple editor, but still has got a lot of power. But understandably, there are certain limitations to it, as this is a free program. Apple does have a pro program which is called Final Cut Pro, but that is a story for another day. So I'll try to show you how to make some custom titles. There was a question to me, and I did make a video about how to add a background to titles in iMovie without using any third-party applications. You can click here to have a look at that video. So now let's open the iMovie itself. Now in iMovie you will see that I've got this clip here. Actually I made this video in the old town of Malacca in Malaysia. It's a beautiful town, by the way, but that is besides the point. So anyway, iMovie has got a lot of titles built in, like so. So if we want to put a title here, let's try maybe okay, let's try centered. We'll drag it down here, and you can see that the title, we can make the title whatever you want to name. So in this title we can actually control the fonts, we can control the size, and there are certain things we can control. We can make it left justified, centered, right justified, or just justified. Let's keep it in the center. But when it comes to moving this at will, that is not possible. You cannot do that. You see, I can't do anything with it. I can just change the spellings or change the title itself. So those are some limitations. You can still actually make it italic, or remove the outline, or add an outline, and these are for most cases these are quite alright. These titles have no issues, but some people want to go beyond this. In that case, there are various ways of doing it, but today I'll show you how to do that in Keynote, which is a free presentation program which comes with Mac again, and it's quite a powerful program like PowerPoint. Now let's open Keynote and open a new document. I'll use the classic white. It doesn't matter, because we are going to take away all the titles here. So next thing is let us draw a shape. You can do without it also, but let's try something. Alright, and then we can use text, make it white in color so that we can see it actually, and let's increase the font size. Maybe a bit more. And let's type something here which is more meaningful. Alright, so we have done this. Now the next thing we have to do, which is very important and without which it will not work, is you click on the white background, and under format and current fill, click here and put no fill. This is the most crucial part in this. So next thing we have to do is you go to the file and then export to movie, and here you have to make sure that export with transparent backgrounds is there, and Apple ProRes 4444 is selected. Rest is quite alright, and the resolution of course is HD resolution 1920 by 1080, and then you save it wherever you need to. So we have to export it, and then we close the Keynote and go back to iMovie, and in my media I will import that. I can just drag it here, and I'll remove the previous title that we were trying out and drop this new title which we brought from Keynote, and we drop it here, and then here you can see that we have got that text which we wanted with a background, and this is quite clear. Mind you, this background can be made a little transparent as well, but that has to be done in Keynote itself. So now next step, what I would suggest is go up there and click on crop, and then you choose under style, you choose crop to fill, and you can then crop it a little bit. Mind you, we have a bit of a background behind the name which is not visible because of the because it's black in color. So we somewhere here we can bring it, and then we go on to video overlay settings. So now you can see that this is right there in the middle, and you can control the opacity of the whole thing including the words, and if you put it as picture in picture, you can actually control it the way you want, make it size big or small, or you can move it here to the right, up, down, or right in the middle, which is indicated by those yellow lines. Now this is right in the middle, and you can increase the size also. So this way you can actually completely control your titles, and it's nice. But otherwise, as I said, most of the built-in titles are good enough for iMovie, but those who want to go beyond that, you can use Keynote or any other program which can give you PNG or transparent background files. You can put it here, and that is it. I hope this helps. If you did like it, please click on the like button, share the video with others so that they can also benefit from it, and also subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming up with such videos very regularly from now onwards. See you again in another video. Cheers. Bye bye.